Pendidikan Matematika Universitas Sanata Dharma mencetak pendidik kompeten yang senantiasa tanggap zaman. Tahun ini, kami selangkah lebih maju membekali mahasiswa dengan pengalaman nyata berstandar global. Dalam penyelenggaraan praktek lapangan persekolahan atau PLP, secara istimewa, kami berkolaborasi dengan berbagai sekolah terbaik di DIY Jateng, baik sekolah negeri maupun sekolah swasta, bilingual hingga internasional seperti SMP Cahaya Bangsa dengan kurikulumnya IMYC. Sebelum terjun ke sekolah, mahasiswa dibekali dengan micro-teaching berbahasa Inggris dan wawasan kurikulum internasional, memastikan mereka tidak hanya cakap, tetapi juga memiliki daya saing secara global. Mari saksikan aksi calon pendidik masa depan yang inspiratif.
We use sets in mathematics to group things. Okay, so for example here, we name a set with capital letter. Let's say P is the set of Indonesian provinces. Okay, so we group these provinces into one bigger group that is the set P here, and it consists of all the Indonesian provinces. Aceh, North Sumatra, West Sumatra, and so on until the last one, Southwest Papua. Okay. So we write sets. We write its members and we enclose them by curly braces like this. Okay. So as you can see, I have prepared some questions on this slide, and the first question is: if we let V to be the set of all vowel letters, then what is the set V itself? How can we define this set V?
Losing level causes a penalty of -6 points. Rian lose 5 level in rows. So how many points did Rian lose in the total? And write the mathematics equation. Okay, let's see your answer. Okay, so we have 4 times -6 is equals to -24. And this also is same. And then we have different answer is -6 times 4 is equals to -20. Because you lose 4 level in a row, so we can write as 4 and the times of -6 is equals to -6 plus -6 plus -6 and plus -6 is equals to -24. That is the correct answer.
In the previous slide, we have already shown the recognition of a bacteria. Now, we will see your friend's result when they complete the table. And this is your friend's result. Are you agree with this answer, guys? Okay, now we will next to the next slide. Okay. Based on your previous table, can you find the relationship between the multiplication result of the second stage and fourth stage with the sixth stage?